So the soft stop is a fully anti-clockwise and the force is maximum clockwise. Disabled everything just for precaution. Down here everything is well set, and then now I press open. Everything open fine. Close again. And that's where that one stopped. Yeah. And it's a little windy, not much, but it's not enough to stop it because the force is at max. So open again, and it opens perfect. Well, not perfect. This one didn't go to the full, to the max. So close again. So mind you, all the delays are off. That's what happened. See that? That stopped right there. Look at where that stopped again. So if I press and then I press again to open, opens fully. So I'm going to still leave the force at max and the soft stop max and disable all accessories and so forth. So this is the connect here, all red and 1 and 2 and the black connected. Quickly clutch disengage. I can move the gate with my hand for motor 1. So I plug back in motor 2. There's 2 back in there, nice and snug. And then I plug back in the plug. There's power on the board. There's power on the board now. So there's power on the board. So now I press. This is what happens when I press. Nothing moves. Okay. Now when I press, you can hear motor 1 moving as well, but the gate doesn't move, of course. Alright, I open now. That opens. Do it one more time. So this is motor 1 connected to motor 2. So you see that motor 2 2 closes perfect and open perfect. So let me switch from 2 to 1 now. So everything from 2 to 1 1 now, same setup, and plug in. So everything from 2 to 1 now. There's power. Everything remain the same. Press. Okay. So we see that both motors, they're activating. They're working. They're working. One last try. So this will suggest that probably the resistor, as you suggested, I would recommend sending this resistor with the packages, because this is a manufacturer issue, not a consumer issue. Okay, so after troubleshooting, we'll try again. The photocells work, the auto close work. So as usual, open perfect. Close perfect. Try again. It's opening. Usually on the second or third try. Yep. Number 1 didn't open fully, as you can see. And I think with this one, the number 2 will not close fully. Yep, that's exactly what happened. When one side doesn't open fully, the next side doesn't close fully. So, even though I still believe there's an issue with the circuit board as well. So you see that? Oh, didn't close. Now it closed. So it's time to lock up. So the solution to this problem will be to put a resistor parallel between motor 1, 15 and 16, that's black and red, 15 and 16, and another resistor between 20 and 21 for motor 2, that is black and red, 20 and 21, and that will fix the problem. So I'm going to show you how that is done. So as you can see, this resistor comes with 2 red terminals, not a problem. You just connect one in parallel across motor 1 and motor 2, the red and black. And then of course you have a separate wire, one to 15, another one to 16, and next one for the next motor to 1 to 20 and one on 21. and then that should solve our problem. So this is with the resistors in, close and fully. Perfect. Open again. Normally around this time, that's when it will stop. One will not go fully open and the other will go fully open. So on the third try, normally around this time as well, that it will stay. One will remain halfway open and the other one will close. So this seems to be working. Yeah. Again. So yeah, this is definitely the fix for it. So if you notice, this would have stopped earlier and it haven't so far, and this is other tries. Alright, so go back here, resistors they're in, and yeah, we are good to go. Remember, automate your gate. Yeah, bear in mind the resistors get pretty hot and they're big, so you definitely need to find an appropriate spot to put them. I'm not sure where I'm going to fit them yet, but I am going to try many different angles until I find an area to put them. Alright, so I managed to squeeze them in like that. Not the tiniest, but limited to the amount of space in these circuit boards, in these boxes. So there you go, that's the fix. Yes, so I actually changed my mind and put them right in the cover for the box. Just make sure to add extra wires. You have to cut the wires short enough so that you have some flexibility like this, and now they are more comfortable in this position.